Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add water tracker on your Lifesum app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this side, click on it here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here on set your habits here, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here, you come here to water tracker, click on it. When you click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you come to daily goal. Then here can you select here. So then here can you if you want to add here glass or bottle here. So then you click here. When you're done, just click here on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.